Hello everybody. Today we start with a new chapter in maths for standard 8th, that is factorization. Now factorization is, what you're going to learn about factorization over here will be based on algebraic factorization. Okay, we are talking about algebraic expressions which are going to be factorized. But we very well know what are factors. What are factors? Like for example, if I say that what are factors of 12, so we know that factors of 12 are nothing but 2 into 3 into, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3. That is nothing but 12. So 2 into 2 into 3, so it's 2 and 3, 2 and 3 are the factors of 12. That means multiplication of this gives me this. The same principle is going to be applied in case of factorization of algebraic expressions. That means if I have got an algebraic expression and if I want to break them into small pieces such that उसका multiplication अगर मैं करूँ तो मुझे वो पूरा का पूरा equation आना चाहिए. Okay, so in this case factorization में सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, we are going to find out the common terms which are there in each and every term of that particular polynomial. So we know what is the polynomial. Like for example, if I got over here 3x cube plus 2x square y plus 3xy square. Now I can see over here, okay, I'll make it 12 over here. So I can see over here, यानी ये क्या है 3 into x into x into x. ये क्या है 2 into 2 into 3 into x into y, sorry, x into x into y. और ये क्या है 3 into x into y into y. So you can see over here that on all these terms, this 3, this x are common. There is nothing else which is common over here. So this which is common is nothing but the highest common factor, that is HCF. What we found is that the HCF over here is 3x over here. So that's why this becomes 3x. Now if I remove 3x from here, what is going to remain? It is going to remain x square. What is going to remain here? Over here it will be 2 to the 4. 4 into xy is 4xy. And what is going to remain here? Y square. So accordingly, the factorization of this is this. उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? If I multiply this into this, yeah, 3x into x square is 3x cube. 3x into 4y is 12x square y. 3x into y square is equal to 3xy square. So you can see that the factorization of this thing over here is this. Okay, so what we are trying to do is that in case of factorization of the polynomials, we are going to find out the common multiple between all the terms, take it out common and have two such sets of multiplication. We can say that multiplication में जो हम लोग करते हैं उसका exactly उल्टा we do in factorization. Okay, the question of the multiplication is the answer of factorization. If you remember, if I had got a question, the question was 3x into a multiply and expand or find out the product of this and this. What is the answer? This. यहाँ पे क्या उल्टा दिया? ये क्वेश्चन है तो ये उसका आंसर है. उसके अंदर ये क्वेश्चन था, ये आंसर था. अभी ये क्वेश्चन है, ये आंसर है. So expansion and factorization are exactly opposite to each other. That is, multiplication and factorization are exactly opposite to each other. The question of expansion is the answer of factorization, and the answer of factorization is the question of expansion. Okay, so very simple thing is, we are just going to find out the factors, find out the highest common factor, and accordingly take out the brackets common in it. So very simple. As we do these sums, it will be much more clearer to you. So let's start with the exercise 11.1 directly. So exercise 11.1. I'll do the alternate sums over here. So I'll do all the first sums. The second sums will be your homework in this case because it needs a lot of practice. So that's why we are doing the alternate sums like this. So it will be 8xy square, cube, plus 12x square y square. So what we can see over here is we need to find out the factors of this and this. Between 8 and 12, what is the common factor between 8 and 12? 4. Right? So this will be 4. X and x square. What is the factor? X is the factor. Okay, the least common thing which is here. So it is the highest common factor. The highest common factor, HCF, of x and x square is x. Y cube and y square will be y square. जो भी lower exponent है वही ही उसका HCF होता है. So here, which is smaller, x and x square, which is smaller, x is smaller, so x will be common over here. Y cube and y square, what is smaller, y square is common, so y square will be common out here. Once you take out the common, what is going to do is that you are going to divide this by this. So 4 and 8 को divide करेंगे तो 2 मिलेगा, x से z cancel, and y square में करेंगे तो y मिलेगा, so that is y. Okay, over here also plus, so I can do the rough work, 2x square y square upon 4xy square. So xx, यहाँ पे x square जो है उसका square और ये x cancel होगा, y square cancel हो गया, ये 3 से होगा, so answer is 3x. So the answer to this one is 4xy square bracket 3x plus 2y or 2y plus 3x. Let's see the second sum. Second का second. I just write second over here. Second का first लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. 21py square minus 56py. So 21 and 56. What is common between them? 7 is common between them. So 7 is common. Because 21 is nothing but 3 into 7, where 56 is equals to 7 into 8. Right? So 7 is the common thing between the two. So 7 is common. Between py square and py, p is p and p is same, so p is common. Y square and y is common. So what is remaining now is 21py square. So it is 21py square upon 7py. So y cancel, pp cancel, 7 3s are. So it will be 3y. Minus py cancel and 7 तो 8 मिलेगा. So answer is 7py bracket 3y minus 8. Got it? We move on to the third sum. 25abc square minus 15a square b square c square. So it is 25abc square minus 15a square b square c. Between 25 and 15, 5 is common, so 5 is common here. A and a square, a is smaller. B and b square, b is smaller. C square and c is smaller. What will remain here? 25 divided by 5 is 5. A cancels, b cancels, c and cancels, so it will c remaining. 15 divided by 5 is 3. A cancels, so a square बचा, इधर a बचा, इधर b बचा, c cancels. So that's the answer. Is it clear? You move on to the fourth one. You need practice, that's it. Otherwise, the sums are easy, but you need practice. It is 8x cube minus 6x square plus 10x. So I have to find out which is common in all three of them. What is common in all three of them? Only 2 is common in all three of them. 8, 6 and 10, 2 is common. Between x cube, x square and x, which is the smallest? X is the smallest, so that will be the common one. So what will remain here? 8x cube upon 2x will be 4x square. This upon this is minus 3x. This upon this is 5. So that's the answer. 2x bracket 4x square minus 3x plus 5. So sum number 5. We now move on to sum number 6. Oh, sorry, 5. This was sum number 4. We now move on to sum number 5. (18p square q square minus 24pq square plus 30p square q). Between 18, 24 and 30 कॉमन फैक्टर इज 6. 6 के टेबल में 18 भी आता है, 24 रुपए पे 30 भी आता है. उसके बाद के कोई भी टेबल में साथ में नहीं आता, 12 वगैरह में नहीं आता. सो दैट्स व्हाई 6. p square p and p square, p is common. q square q, so q is common. What will remain here? 18 divided by 6 is 3. p square divided by p is p. q square divided by q is q. Minus 24 divided by 6 is 4. p divided by p is 1. So nothing remaining. q square upon q is q. 30 divided by 6 is 5. p square divided by p is p. q cancels. So this is the answer. Sum number 6. (15a bracket 2p minus 3q minus 10b 2p minus 3q). Now you can see over here that between this term and this term, 15 and 10, what is common? 5 is common. So 5 is common over here. Between a and b, nothing is common. So it will all remain. But this complete bracket is common. So this complete bracket 2p minus 3q is common. So now what is remaining inside is over here. What is remaining is 3a, and what is remaining over here is minus 2b. So this is the answer. 5 into 2p minus 3q into bracket 3a minus 2b. That was sum number 6. Now see sum number 7. Six x plus 2y the whole cube plus 8x plus 2y the whole square. So again the same formula, 6 and 8. What is common between the two? Just 2. So 2 is common. x plus 2y यहाँ क्यूब है और यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है, तो छोटा कौन सा ये है, तो ये पूरा का पूरा कॉमन हो गया. x plus 2y the whole square becomes common over here. Now what is remaining? So what is remaining here is 3 is remaining out of 6. इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो, and cube divided by square will be this one. So it will be x plus 2y. And what is remaining here is just 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. देखिए ये पूरा का पूरा कॉमन बाहर निकल गया. You need to open the bracket over here, so it becomes 2 bracket x plus 2y the whole square bracket 3x plus 6y plus 4. So that's the answer for sum number 7. We now move on to sum number 8. It is 10a bracket 2p plus q the whole cube minus 15b 2p plus q the whole square plus 35 2p plus q. So between 10, 15 and 35, 5 is common. So 5 is common here. A, B and nothing. So nothing is common. Now this is cube, this is square and this is 1. So this is automatically, this becomes common. So the common part will be 2p plus q. Once you take out the common, what is remaining here will be 10a upon 5 is 2a. So 2a is remaining and बाकी ये balance मिलता है 2p plus q the whole square. Here it will be minus 15 divided by 5 is 3. So minus 3b and it will be square और ये divide करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा 2p plus q. And lastly, it is 35 divided by 5 is 7. So that's the answer. Okay, the final answer is 5 2p plus q into bracket 2a 2p plus q the whole square minus 3b 2p plus q plus 7. That's the answer. Okay, so this was the first exercise of factorization. We now move on to the second part of the exercise. Now, in the second exercise, we are going one step ahead. What is one step ahead? यहाँ पे हम लोग को ये bracket already दिया था, right? Suppose they have not given you this bracket and it was all separated out, and you are taking out something common which is going to be in a form of a bracket. Okay, so it will be one step forward. So we can directly start with the exercise so that it's easier to understand. So while doing the exercise, I'll explain you also that what exactly is meant in this particular exercise. The thing is the same. There is nothing different over here. You have to take out common and take out of the bracket. So it's the same thing again. So exercise 11.2, first sum. It is x square plus xy minus x minus y. So here you know that you don't have anything common in all of them. But you can have common between these two and between these two. So if I take a common between these two, what is the common? X is common here. So it will be x plus y between here. And here if you see that if I want the bracket as x plus y, I will take minus 1 as common. Then it will be x plus y like this. Understood? Between these two, x is common, so x plus y is remaining. Between these two, minus 1 is common, so x plus y is remaining. See, if you multiply this into x square, x into y is x square, minus 1 into x is minus x, minus 1 into y is minus y. So, you're not wrong by writing this. Now, I can see that this becomes the sum of our previous exercise. यहाँ पे दो bracket common दिया था. So, here you can see that this brackets are common, so the common bracket will be x plus y. What is remaining now is x over here and minus 1 over here. So the answer is this. X plus y into x minus 1 is equals to x square plus xy minus y x minus y. Got it? So this was sum number 1. We move on to sum number 2. 5xy plus 7y minus 5y square minus 7x. You can see again the same thing. We are going to take out common over here. Between this and this, what is common? Only y is common. So take y common. You have 5x plus 7. Between these two, what is common over here? Okay. Even if I take, here is nothing common over here, you will find that they are not matching. Right? So that means I will need to take some different values so that I can get something common bracket. Right? So what I'll do is that I'll just switch this like this. It will be 5xy minus 5y square plus 7y minus 7x. So what happens between these two, you have got 5y as common. What is remaining is x minus y. See, 5y इसमें से निकाल तो x बचा, 5y इसमें से निकाल तो minus y बचा. यहां से भी वही करेंगे, +7 बाहर निकालेंगे तो यू गेट ओवर हियर एज, I'll take minus over here. So you get minus y plus x, which is nothing but 5y x minus y minus 7 x minus y. See, if I write minus 2 plus 3 or 3 minus 2, does it make any difference? No. Right? So that's why I'm writing here minus y plus y is nothing but y minus x minus y. So this and this are common brackets. So it is x minus y, 5y minus 7. That's your sum number second. Clear? We move on to sum number 3. Okay, a square b minus ab square plus 3a minus 3b. So again the same thing, we are taking here what is common between this one, ab is common. So what remains is a minus b. Here plus 3 is common. What is remaining is a minus b. A minus b is common. So it is a minus b, ab plus 3. That's the answer for sum number 3. Moving on to sum number 4. 6xy square minus 3xy minus 10y plus 5. Same way, 6 and 3, what is common? 3 is common. X is common here. Y is common here. Accordingly, what remains here is y minus, 2y minus 5. Minus x. Okay? नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा. 2y minus 1 बचेगा. पूरा 3y बाहर निकल गया ना. So 1. Here what is going to happen? 5 is going to come common. So minus 5. What will remain is 2y minus 1. So again 2y minus 1 is common. 3xy minus 5 is the answer. So this was sum number 4. Clear? Okay. We move on to sum number 5. X square plus xy 1 plus y plus y square, y cube, So in this case, I'll get rid of this bracket first. I'll open the bracket. Okay, so that I have got all the separate terms. I can take out common after that. So here it is going to be x square plus xy plus xy square plus y cube. Okay, xy into 1 is xy, xy into y is xy square. Okay, now between these two, what is common is x. So you'll get x plus y as the bracket. Between these two, y square is common. So y square, what do you get is x plus y again. Y square यहाँ से निकला तो x बचा, y के इसमें से निकला तो y बचा. Accordingly, what you have is one bracket is x plus y, common one, and the other bracket will be having x plus y square. That's sum number 5. We move on to sum number 6. It is ab square plus a minus 1 into b minus 1. Same way we are going to open the brackets. So it will be ab square plus ab minus b minus 1. Between these two, what is common? Yes, ab is common. So ab is common. What is remaining here after ab? If I remove ab from ab square, what is remaining is b. What is remaining here is just 1. So plus 1. Now I want a b plus 1 over here, so I'll take minus 1 common and I'll get b plus 1. So b plus 1 is common and ab minus 1 is the other bracket. That's answer for question number 6. We now move on to question number 7. Five pH minus 10QK plus 2RPH minus 4RQK. Same way between these two, or else let's do one thing. Yeah, ठीक है चले यही कर लेते हैं. यहाँ पे in this two, what is common? Only 5 is common, so we'll take 5 common. What is remaining is pH minus 2QK. Over here 2R is common, so it is 2R which is common. What is remaining is pH minus 2QK. Simple. So this becomes pH minus 2QK in one bracket and 5 plus 2R in the other bracket. Okay, that was sum number 7. We now move on to sum number 8. AB bracket x square plus y square minus xy a square plus b square. Now there is nothing common over here, so I need to open up the bracket. So on opening the bracket, I get abx square plus aby square minus a square xy minus b square xy. So now I need something which is going to give me same brackets. See, this was already there, but it did not give me same brackets. So I need to change it. Okay, I need to shuffle. So I'll make it this way: AB x square minus a square xy plus AB y square minus b square xy. So between these two, what is common? I get a and x as common over here. So I get b and x balance over here, and over here I get a and y common outside. Ax square y upon ax will give me ay. Over here what is common? I want bx, so I'll take this first. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just take one more step. That is abx square minus a square xy minus b square xy plus aby square. So now what happens? I just interchange this place. So now I have got a x common. So it is bx over here minus ay minus, I am going to take by common. So I get bx inside plus ay over here. Okay, sorry, minus, because minus into minus is plus. So this bracket and this bracket is same now. So that gives me as bx minus ay into bracket ax minus by. So that's the final answer of sum number 8. We now move on to sum number 9. A cube plus ab bracket 1 minus 2a minus 2b square. So I'll open the bracket first. It will be a cube plus ab minus 2a square b minus 2b square. I think I can easily take out common over here. So it will be a bracket a square plus b, and over here minus 2b will give me 2b. So it will be a square plus b. So that gives me a square plus b, a minus 2b. Clear? Very easy sums. Very easy, but just concentrate that you are not making any mistakes in signs. Because when you are opening your brackets and all, at that time you should not make any mistake in the signs. Then it becomes a very easy sum. We move on to the 10th sum. It is a square b plus ab square minus abc minus b square c plus axy plus bxy. Now what you are going to do is, you are going to take three things together. This three, उसमें से common निकालेंगे, ये तीन में से common निकालेंगे, ऐसा करने वाले हैं. Okay? So you will find that ये axy इधर भी है, तो automatically I'll have to change its location in such a way that I can get, or let's do one thing. Let 2 take 2 only, not get confusion. ये दोनों के बीच में common क्या है? AB. बचा क्या? A plus B. Okay? Between these two, this is what is happening. Now between these two, I can see minus BC is common. What is remaining is A plus B. So you can see AB here, A plus B here, A plus B also here. Here also, what is common? XY is common. What is remaining is A plus B. So now you see that A plus B is common here, here and here, all of them. So we are going to take this as common. We get A plus B, and the other bracket will be the combination of all this. That is AB minus BC plus XY. That is sum number 10. Got it? We move on to the last sum of this particular exercise, and also the last sum of the video. That is sum number 11. We got x minus 1 minus x minus 1 the whole square plus ax minus a. So you can see over here, this is nothing but, I can write it as x minus 1 bracket mein. This I can write it as x minus 1 into x minus 1. And here I can write it as a into bracket x minus 1. So this x minus 1 is common here, here and here. So this will give me x minus 1 as common. What is remaining here is nothing, that is just 1. So here, when the complete thing is removed, when you divide a upon a, it is not 0, it is 1. So always remember, अभी इधर क्या बचेगा? 1 बचेगा. यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? माइनस x minus 1. और यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? a बचेगा. Open the bracket over here. So you get it over here. X minus 1, 1 minus x plus 1 plus a. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer will be x minus 1 bracket 2 minus x plus a. So that was exercise 11.2 of factorization. Right? Quite an easy chapter. Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll continue in the next week.